Windows play a huge role in the comfort, safety, and curb appeal of your home. In a community like the villages, where sunshine, storms, and humidity are part of daily life, your windows are constantly exposed to the elements. Over time, they may start showing signs of wear that affect not only how your home looks but also how it performs. If you've been wondering whether it's time to replace your windows, here are the top signs to watch for. Rising energy bills. If your utility costs have been steadily climbing, old or inefficient windows could be to blame. Drafty windows let hot or cold air leak in, making your HVAC system work harder to keep your home comfortable. In Florida's climate, this often translates to higher air conditioning costs. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient models helps regulate indoor temperatures, reduce strain on your AC, and lower monthly bills. Drafts or uncomfortable rooms. Walk near your windows on a warm or breezy day. If you feel air movement even when they're closed, that's a clear sign of failing seals. Drafts make certain rooms uncomfortable and uneven in temperature compared to the rest of the home. New, properly sealed windows eliminate drafts, creating a more consistent indoor environment. Difficulty opening and closing. Windows should open and close smoothly. If you find yourself struggling to push, pull, or lock them, the frames may be warped, the hardware may be failing, or the structure could be compromised. Beyond being inconvenient, sticking windows are also a safety hazard, especially in emergencies when you need them to open quickly. Visible damage and decay. Cracked glass, rotting frames, or water stains around your windows aren't just cosmetic issues. These problems often signal deeper structural damage that can worsen over time. Rotting or warped frames also create gaps where moisture and pests can enter, increasing the risk of mold or termite problems in your home. Condensation between the panes. If you notice fog or moisture trapped inside double or triple pane windows, the seals have failed. This not only obstructs your view but also reduces insulation, making the windows far less efficient. Unfortunately, once seals are broken, the only real solution is full window replacement. Noise from outside. Life in the villages is vibrant, but if you can clearly hear traffic, neighbors, or outdoor activities inside your home, your windows may no longer be providing adequate sound insulation. New windows with modern technology dramatically reduce outside noise, giving you a quieter and more peaceful living space. Outdated appearance. Your windows affect more than just function, they contribute to your home's overall curb appeal. Outdated or worn down windows can make even a well-maintained house look tired. Replacing them with modern, stylish designs not only updates your home's appearance but can also increase its resale value. Increased maintenance needs. If you find yourself constantly painting, caulking, or repairing your windows, it may be more cost-effective to invest in replacements. New materials like vinyl or fiberglass require minimal upkeep while still offering long-lasting performance. Why window replacement matters in the villages. Florida's heat, humidity, and storms make high-quality windows a necessity, not just a luxury. Energy-efficient, impact-resistant models not only help you save on energy bills but also provide protection during hurricane season. For homeowners in the villages, replacing old windows is one of the best ways to enhance comfort, safety, and value. Final thoughts. If you've noticed any of these warning signs, it may be time to consider window replacement. New windows can make your home more energy efficient, secure, and stylish, all while reducing maintenance and enhancing everyday comfort. When it comes to protecting and upgrading your home in the villages, replacing your windows is a smart investment that pays off in comfort, savings, and peace of mind.